and for today's video, I am going to explain about the menu, invalid choice, and number option. When the program starts, it displays the menu with 3 choices. Enter 5 numbers, enter 5 words, or exit. The user first enters the choice 5, which is not a valid option. So the program shows an error message and displays the menu again. This time, the user chooses option 1, which is for entering 5 integers. The program then begins checking each integer input. The first input is A, B, C, which is not a number, so the program shows an error. The next input is -12, but the program only accepts positive integers, so another error appears. So after re-entering, the valid number is 25, that is accepted. The next numbers are 14 and 9 are also valid. For the fourth integer, the user enters x7, which is invalid, so an error appears again. The corrected input is 7, and the last number entered is 30.
Hello, I'm Justin Aaron Sarcauga, and I'm going to explain the displaying numbers, sorting, and returning to menu. So after all 5 valid integers are accepted, the program displays them as 25, 14, 9, 7, and 30. It then sorts these numbers in ascending order, resulting in 7, 9, 14, 25, and 30. It also sorts them in descending order, resulting in 30, 25, 14, 9, and 7. Once the sorting results are shown, the program notifies the user that it is returning to the main menu, and the main menu appears again with the same 3 options.
Hi, I'm Dexter and I'm going to discuss the word input, validation, and vowel conversion. The user now selects option 2, which is for entering 5 words. The first word entered is app 13, which contains numbers, so the program rejects it. The valid word is apple, is entered next. The second word is orange, which is valid for the third input. The user enters 3 asterisks, which is not a word, so an error appears until the valid word table is entered. For the fourth word, the input U space N space I space T includes spaces, which are not allowed, so the program rejects it and accepts the correct input, which is unit. The final word entered is chalk. After the 5 valid words are accepted, the program converts the vowels in each word using the given rules, where A becomes 1, E becomes 2, I becomes 3, O becomes 4, and U becomes 5. The converted results are apple to 1, PP, L2, orange for 4, R1, and G2, tables to P1, B, L2, unit to 5 and 3, T, and chalk to CH1LK. So that's it for word input validation and vowel conversion.
Sorting converted words, return to menu, and exit. After converting all words, the program sorts them lexicographically in ascending order. The ascending list becomes 1 PPL2, 4 R1 NG2, 5 and 3 T, CH1LK, and T1BL2, and then sorts them in descending order, resulting in T1BL2, CHL, CH1LK, 5 and 3T, 4R1NG2, and 1TTL2. After showing the results, the program returns to the main menu again. Finally, the users enter 0 and the program ends with the message "Program terminated." This shows that the program correctly handles invalid inputs, processes both numbers and words, performs sortings, and loops back to the menu until the users decided to exit.